Hello, Intro to Humanities students. This is Professor Miller checking in with you. I'm starting to see some of the Roman values paragraphs come in, and I'm finding that the majority of the directions are not being followed. So I just want to go over a few of the key requirements with you. If you've already submitted, you still have time to go back and correct some of these issues. But if you aren't already aware, we do have a different assignment this week that's a little bit different than some of the other coursework we've completed thus far in Intro to Humanities, and that is a short writing assignment involving a paragraph. So first of all, the focus of your paragraph should be an example of artwork, literature, or other cultural artifact from ancient Rome. It should not be from any other time period. This week we are focused on ancient Rome and the various artwork, literature, and cultural artifacts from ancient Rome. So if that's something you have not done, make sure you go back and correct that. Okay, so as you can see from the directions, your submission should be a Microsoft Word document. If you're starting in Pages because you're a Mac user, or if you prefer to use Google Docs, that's fine. Just be sure to save your document, the ultimate submission, as a Microsoft Word document. Also, we are using MLA format for this. I am not looking for perfection, but you should be trying to make your paper look as close to this sample MLA paper as possible. For instance, MLA has special rules about how the date should look, and also the text is double spaced. If you use any outside research, you must cite your sources. I'm not looking for perfection in terms of MLA citation. However, you should be crediting the authors of whatever information you share. Be sure not to simply copy and paste. This will go through Turnitin, and Turnitin is going to recognize if you simply copy and paste from the internet. So make sure you are summarizing, paraphrasing, and if you do use any direct quotes, they are in quotation marks and cited according to MLA guidelines. Also, be sure to follow the prompts closely. Beneath where it says writing prompt, you'll see a series of bullets, and each and every one of these bullets needs to be satisfied in your submission. The first one is begin your paragraph with a topic sentence. And you'll see there in yellow, there is a format that your topic sentence should follow, and that is the Roman value of blank is illustrated by blank. And again, we are focused on ancient Rome, so the value and the artifact, artwork, literature, should both come from ancient Rome. You'll also notice that it says a paragraph and not an essay. Usually when we write an essay, we have an introduction ending with thesis, but this time we're just going to have one paragraph. So our primary claim, instead of a thesis, is going to be our topic sentence, and that's going to be first in our paragraph. From there, you're going to work through those bullets. Make sure you answer each one. And most importantly, make sure you're answering this one at the bottom. For whatever reason, I'm not seeing this one be answered. It says, provide your own personal perspective on an example from today's culture that illustrates a particular value. So after focusing on ancient Rome through the majority of your paragraph, you are going to consider our own time and our own culture and choose an example and how that example illustrates one of our values. I think that's it. If you have any questions, I will be around. So please, please, please just go ahead and shoot me an email. It never hurts to get a little bit more clarity or information. And I wish you all the best on your assignment. Have a great week.